The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Catawba County, eastern Lincoln County, southern Iowa County, northwestern Mecklenburg County, Gaston County until 10:15 p.m. At 9:23 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Newton to 3 miles northeast of Lincoln to 14 miles north of Shelby, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Gastonia, Huntersville, Northeast Charlotte, Northwest Charlotte, Cornelius, Mooresville, Mount Holly, Davidson, Belmont, and Bessemer City. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. for the following county: Iredell, North Carolina,